Look at all these birds on top of these cars and the building. You see that? You see that? Well, anyway, I am in the Walmart back in Houston for some Vanlife updates. Trying to condense some space and get a little more space efficient. So I'm looking specifically for a jerry can that they have here and a water pump. So let's go check it out. Okay, so I found what I'm looking for. And just so y'all know, at Walmart for $16, I guess this is for $16, they have the pump, the manual pump that you can get for a water bottle, and it's for 3 and 5 gallons. But they also have the rechargeable one, and I believe it's also for 3 and 5 gallons. But yeah, 3 and 5 gallons. And I know in New Orleans this one was 24, so we're gonna try it. I think it's only 24. So I'm about to get this, and then we're gonna go find the jerry cans. But I found it, well, and this one is like close to hardware and home goods and stuff like that. And they've got these bottles. That's not what I'm looking for. A friend of mine has that bottle, and she accidentally hit it with her foot and it went off. So we're not getting that. Alright, so let's see if they still have some. Yes, they sure do. So what I'm looking for is this right here. To put this jerry can instead of the one that I have. Now that's 6 gallons. So the big question is that gonna fit on that nozzle? I don't know. Got half of mine to try it in the store. But I'm gonna do the right thing, and I'm gonna take it home, and then I will bring it back if I have to. So let's go. So now that we're home, we're gonna go ahead and rip into this. And sorry for if the volume is not great. I don't have my mic on. So got the Primo. And let's rip into this and see what we can do. There's a possibility, I think, that I may have to get like a longer cord, because this is for 5 gallons, 3 or 5 gallons, and this is a 6-gallon cord. So we'll see what I need to do. But I got a feeling I'm gonna have to rig this up. So let's see here. In the box, get warnings and precautions. You get something about some big savings waiting for you. Some magnets. And some instructions and some info about the dispenser. We'll read that later, maybe. There's the actual dispenser, and I'm just dropping things all over the ground. So there's the dispenser. And then there's the wall charger. Cord for that. And the pipe that you put in the thing. So let's see how this all goes together. Okay, so we're gonna see if we can figure this out. Can't be that difficult. Like this. Hook it. Probably put it onto here first. So in here, if you can see that, there's a little input. It looks like you just plug it right in. Not quite rocket science. And I do have a little bit of water in there, but it doesn't fit. Dang it. Oh man, that sucks. So it doesn't even fit, it's too big. Well, that's a fail. Wonder if there's a way. There's gotta be a way. There's gotta be a way to get that on there. I don't know. Figure it out, but this did not work. It's too big. So it's got these grooves, but I know I don't want that specific bottle, because this bottle fits better. So might have to order one off of Amazon, but this is going straight back. Order one off of Amazon and see if we can get that to work. Sucks. Okay, so the unit that I got from Amazon, I'll have linked down in the description, but it's just 3 pieces. It's this main piece right here, the reservoir, and then the spout and the water plug. And so what I did was, this is the cap that came with the can. And these little grooves right here, I cut them down like this and sanded them. I just cut them all the way down and sanded them. And smoothed that out. And now this fits just nicely up here. And got water. No problem. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. And I keep it like this. And it is rechargeable. So, and from what I understand, like, that'll stay charged like that for days and days. We'll see how long it is, but this is the box. But I will link in the description which one I got.